So, this is Elvis. Well, not really, he's just a copy. When working with CAD files, why should you care? Well, with your CAD files it's just the same. Whether you are creating a car or a machine part, you never ever really see what you have designed. So what? This is the way it's actually meant to be. Using freeform surfaces and curves like Bezier or NURBS, you can define perfectly smooth curvatures, which is great. However, this is what you always see on the computer screen. It's a triangulated copy of original data, the only thing the computer usually can handle. So why should you care anyway? This conversion process, so-called triangulation, is a real pain. It is very time-consuming, especially for complex real-world scenes. Furthermore, it's quite error-prone, so some poor guy has to tidy up afterwards. Finally, it's inconsistent as you're not working on the original data directly. But what now? Fortunately, we at NURBS are kind of rocket scientists and came up with a very clever solution. We invented something new and unique we call direct NURBS ray tracing. From a user's point of view, this is pretty easy. We don't convert to triangles. We simply compute the image using the real freeform data, and that really fast. Using our technology, you can simply take your CAD file, load it within seconds, and render nice images out of the box with our standalone application RenderGen, or a custom plugin we could develop specifically for your needs. Here's a comparison. Left are NURBS and right are triangles. Note the big difference in memory consumption. We are more than 10 times that efficient. The difference in the image is easily visible, especially if we zoom in a little. Finally, some numbers. These bars show the loading times required for a more complex CAD model. Even expensive industry solutions are more than an order of magnitude slower than we are. The same is true for render times. Basically, we're rendering tons of images while others are still loading that file. Oh, and by the way, yes, the bar is really there, it's just very small. To conclude, if you want perfect image quality and at the same time you want to reduce the time and cost required for doing so, then NURBS is the right partner for you. We make sure you get the real Elvis. This was Oliver Ebert, CEO and co-founder of NURBS. Perfect CAD renderings in less time. Give us a call or send us a message. We are looking forward to improve your workflow.